shall we all start the class? Listen carefully. Question is 4 minus a by b is equivalent to 5 minus b by a is equivalent to 10 by a square plus b square. How you should actually solve mathematics is, first you should read the question. First read the question. For me, reading the question means half the solution I will get. 4 minus a by b is equivalent to 5 minus b by a is equivalent to 10 by a square plus b square. Okay, let me read the question. 4 minus a by b is equivalent to 5 minus b by a is equivalent to 10 by a square plus b square. First term denominator it is b. Here I got b square. Okay. Second term denominator it is a. Here I got a square. That means by reading the question itself, what I will do is, I will take the first two terms. 4 minus a by b is equivalent to 5 minus b by a. Here a square it is there. Here b square it is there. So I will multiply this by b numerator and denominator. 4 minus a into b by b into b square. 5 minus b into a by a into a square. Are you all with me? So why I did it? Because denominator in the third term is giving me a hint that it is a square plus b square. A square means denominator it is a. Multiply it by a, numerator and denominator. Multiply it by b, numerator and denominator. That is the first hint which I got when I read the question. Then he is asking a square plus b square. That means denominators I have to add. Denominators I have to add. Now concept. Listen carefully. Concept. 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4 is equivalent to 3 by 6. 2 by 4 it is 1 by 2, 3 by 6 it is 1 by 2. There are three different fractions are there. One fraction it is an optimized version, another are derived version. There are three fractions where the value wise all are equal. 1 by 2 equivalent to 2 by 4 equivalent to 3 by 6. It is equivalent to sum of the numerators 1 plus 2 plus 3 by sum of the denominators. Can I say 1 plus 2 plus 3 it is 6, 2 plus 4 plus 6 it is 12, 6 by 12 it is 1 by 2. Okay, that means if fractions are given, it can be written as sum of the numerators by sum of the denominators. Sir, is it only sum of the numerators by sum of the denominators? No. It can also be equivalent to square root of sum of the squares of the numerators by sum of the squares of the denominators. Are you all with me? If I take 2 square common in the denominator, I will get 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. It will get cancelled. Root of 1 by 4, it is 1 by 2. Is it only square root? No. It is also equivalent to cubed root of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube divided by 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube. 2 cube common, cubed root of 1 by 8 is 1 by 2. Very, very important relationship. Very, very important relationship. First point it is clear. Sir, from where you got this idea? First I got this idea, denominator it is a square. I multiplied numerator and denominator by a. Then it is b square. I multiplied numerator and denominator by b. Right? Then a square plus b square. That means I have to add it. Two different fractions are there. If I add denominators, numerators will also get added. I hope the first concept it is clear. That means if you see here 1 plus 2 plus 3, 2 plus 4 plus 6, ideally if A1, A2, A3, A1, A2, A3 are the sides of one triangle, A4, A5, A6 are the sides of another triangle. Ratio of the corresponding sides A1 by A4 equivalent to A2 by A5 equivalent to A3 by A6. That means if two triangles are similar, A1, A2, A3 are one side's triangle. A4, A5, A6 are another sides of a triangle. another sides of a triangle. Ratio of the sides of a triangle is equivalent to ratio of the perimeters. Ratio of the corresponding sides of a triangle. What are all these? These are the sides of a triangle. If I take the corresponding sides ratio, A1 by A4, it is equivalent to ratio of the sum of the perimeters of two similar triangles. This is derived from this property. I hope this concept it is clear. We will park this one. First we will understand this example. There is a CAT question based on this one. A plus B by C is equivalent to B plus C by K. A plus B by C is equivalent to B plus C by A. It is equivalent to C plus A by B. It is equivalent to K. Find K. Find K. A plus B by C is equivalent to B plus C by A equivalent to C plus A by B. Find K. If nothing is given, A, B, C are real numbers. If nothing is given in all our examination, if the domain of variables is not given, then it is a real number. A plus B by C is equivalent to B plus C by A. Just by looking at these first concept, what we discussed, side ratios it is given. It is equivalent to A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A. 2 into A plus B plus C by A plus B plus C. This will get cancelled. Most of the students will tick mark the answer as 2. Most of the students will tick mark the answer as 2. Answer is definitely true. This is 2. Only denominator cannot be equivalent to 0. Denominator cannot be equivalent to 0. If the denominator is equivalent to 0, because A, B, C are real number, chances are there. A plus B is equivalent to minus C. A plus B by C is equivalent to minus 1. A plus B plus C is equivalent to minus 1. So answer for this question is minus 1 and 2. Answer for this question is minus 1 and 2. This is an original CAT previous year question. Original CAT previous year question. Idea is take that question and elevate the concept and create a question and discuss it in the class. This is an original CAT PYQ question. Sum of the numerators by sum of the denominators. Denominator cannot be equivalent to 0. Denominator cannot be equivalent to 0. DR represents denominator. DR represents denominator. I hope the concept it is clear. Denominator cannot be equivalent to 0. So A plus B by C is equivalent to minus 1. A plus B by C is equivalent to K. K is equivalent to minus 1. Answer for this question is minus 1 and 2. Another concept. Write down one by one all the concept. Concept 2. 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4. If two fractions are given, 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4. It is also equivalent to difference between the numerators by difference between the denominators. Difference between the numerators by difference between the denominators. A1 by A2 is equivalent to A3 by A4. It is equivalent to A1 minus A3 by A2 minus A4. A2 minus A4 should not be equivalent to 0. A2 minus A4 should not be equivalent to 0. If two fractions are given, it is equivalent to sum of the numerators by sum of the denominators. It is also equivalent to difference in the numerators by difference in the denominators. Difference in the numerators by difference in the denominators. So, what we did, we stopped here. What we did, we have discussed the concept. We discussed the concept. If different fractions are there, sum of the numerators by sum of the denominators. In a triangle, perimeter is start at a vertex, go through the edge points, connect all the vertices, can come back to the original source. So, if two triangles are similar, ratio of their corresponding sides is equivalent to ratio of their perimeter. This is the concept. I hope it is clear. Similarly, square root we can do, cube root we can do, nth root also we can do. This is the first concept. This is the second concept. One CAT previous year question. I will also tell you how similar these questions, whatever we are discussing, are closer to the examination standard. Now let us see the question. What is the question? 4 minus A, where we got till here. 4 minus A by B is equivalent to, what is that question? 5 minus b by a. 5 minus b by a is equivalent to 10 by a square plus b square. 10 by a square plus b square. Now listen carefully. So what I did, I multiplied by b. 4b minus ab by b square is equivalent to 5a minus ab by a square. It is equivalent to sum of the numerators by sum of the denominators. 5a plus 4b minus ab minus minus 2ab by a square plus b square. It is given in the question as 10 by a square plus b square. Denominators are same. Denominators are same. So 5a plus 4b minus 2ab is equivalent to 10. 5a plus 4b minus 2ab is equivalent to 10. So this will become 5a plus 4b minus 2ab minus 10 is equivalent to 0. Minus 10 is equivalent to 0. Another very important key point. AB, degree of the equation it is 2. If the degree of the equation it is 2, how to find out the values for the variables? Write down the equation as a product of two factors. If the expression has got a degree 2, how to find out the values? Write the equation as a product of two factors. 5a plus 4b minus 2b. 5a plus 2b. That means if I take a common in first and third, a into 5 minus 2a. A into 5 minus 2a. Are you all with me? If I take minus 2 common here, it will be 5 minus 2b. It is 5 minus 2b. 5 minus 2b is equivalent to 0. Are you all with me? A common, 5 minus 2b, it is not a. 2b. 5 minus 2b. 5 minus 2b minus 2 into. Minus 2 into 5 minus 10. Minus into minus plus 4b. So this will become a minus 2 into 5 minus 2b is equivalent to 0. Are you all with me? Two cases we got. If the product of two are 0, either this can be 0 or this can be 0. 0 into anything 0, anything into 0, it is 0. A minus 2 into 5 minus 2b equivalent to 0. Case 1. A minus 2 is equivalent to 0. A minus 2 is equivalent to 0. Case 2. Now I think it is simple substitution, you will get the value. Case 2. Case 2 what it is? 5 minus 2b. 5 minus 2b is equivalent to 0. 5 equivalent to 2b. b equivalent to 5 by 2. Here a is equivalent to 2. For corresponding values of a, I will get the values of b. How to get the values of b? 4 minus a by b. 4 minus a by b is equivalent to 5 minus b by a. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 by b is equivalent to 5 minus b by 2. So 4 equivalent to b into 5 minus b. b into 5 minus b. I hope it is clear. So it is 1 into 4 or 4 into 1. b is 1. 5 minus 1 it is 4. That means if a is 2, b can be 1 or 4. 2 comma 1, 2 comma 4. 2 comma 1, 2 comma 4. I hope the idea it is clear. Similarly here it is 4 minus a by 5 by 2 equivalent to 5 minus 5 by 2 divided by a. 4 minus a into 2 by 5 is equivalent to 10 minus 5. 5 by 2 into 1 by a. Into 1 by a. So 4 minus a into a equivalent to 25 by 4. Calculate the value of a, that will give us the corresponding values. First question clear? First question, what are the concepts that we discussed? If multiple fractions are given, it is equivalent to sum of the numerators by sum of the denominators. If two fractions are given, it is also equivalent to difference in the numerators by difference in the denominators. Difference in the numerators. Again I am explaining you the structure, how I solved this question. First thing is, I observed the question, denominator it is a square, here it is a, so I multiplied it with a, numerator and denominator. Denominator it is b, multiplied it with b and b, numerator and denominator. Here it is a square plus b square. That means I have to use the concept of sum of the denominators. Sum of the denominators concept I discussed. I hope it is very, very clear to you. Kindly reply with yes if it is perfectly clear to you. Any doubts are there in any of these questions? First question, I hope the idea it is clear. Everybody, here I am not finding the value of b. I think easily you can factorize 4a minus a square equivalent to 25 by 4. Factorize it and find the value of a. Find the value of a. I hope everybody it is clear to you. First question, see how very simple concept can be given as a question. Generally, most of the students, what they do is, they fear looking at a question. They fear looking at a question. Possibly it could be because connecting the dots with the concepts that we are so habituated with. Teacher solves 100 problems and we make a notes and we repeat that 100 problem, we solve it 10 times. But competitive examination is not like that. Idea in my class is to increase your thinking ability, increase your logical ability, so that even if the question changes, answer also changes.